Hello, today we're going to learn how to do a land use survey. A land use survey is carried out to collect data on the type and distribution of land use in an area. It is usually carried out along a specific line, such as a street. The purpose of the survey is to determine the type and variety of goods and services that can be found and are available for tourists in an area. So here are the steps on how to conduct a land use survey. You'll be given a blank sheet of paper where you'll mark out the main street that you have decided to survey. From the starting point, this should be the one end of the street. You'll start to walk down and observe the different land uses. Use boxes to represent the shops along the street. If you notice over here in my sample, you realize that the sizes of the boxes are different, right? So if the shop is larger, then the box allocated for it, should be larger as well. So the size of the shop is proportional to the width of the box that you draw in your land use survey. After which, you'll label the different land uses as observed, or you can use different colors to color code it and come up with a legend. Then repeat this process until you reach the other end of the street. Normally for a land use survey, you have to draw the different types of shops on both sides of the street. But for our geographical investigation, you just need to draw one side of the street. Over here, I have this street, Smith Street. Can anybody make a guess? Where is Smith Street? Smith Street is one of the streets in Chinatown. A popular tourist attraction in Singapore. So now let's take a walk down Smith Street virtually and see what are the shops we can spot. So we are at Smith Street. Right, the first shop that we see is On Cheong. So we will then write down On Cheong. And then the second one is Hawker Chan. Right, Hawker Chan, Hong Kong soya sauce, chicken rice and noodle. So we will just write it in. So the first shop is On Cheong. Right, then the second one is Hawker Chan. Hong Kong, chicken, rice, soy sauce, chicken, rice and noodle. You must be wondering how come it's a red color, right? So for all the different food restaurants, I decided to color code in red. Because after which you want to look at the hypothesis. Is it true that many tourists go to Chinatown to check out the different types of food? After this Hawker Chan, we will walk down the street. There's an empty alley here, followed by a barricaded shop. After the shop, we have this Yue Xing seafood. So I write down alleyway, empty shop, and followed by Yue Xing seafood. After Yue Xing seafood, let's continue our walk down Smith Street. We will see the S Ban Siu Pao. S Ban Siu Pao. S Ban Siu Pao. Then you keep walking down. So basically you walk down and then jot down all the shop names. Right? So to save time, I've already done so. Right? So you notice this is my land use survey. I walked down the whole of Smith Street and noted down the various shops along the way. And for the food outlets, I actually highlighted in red. So how many red color shops do you see on the whole street? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so there's 7 food outlets or restaurants along this Smith Street. So if I were to come up with a conclusion, I would say yes. It's true that many tourists go to Chinatown to check out the different types of food. Or a hypothesis could be about how Chinatown is a food paradise, right? Judging by the number of food stalls just along one street, Smith Street. Then I will support my answer by saying that all of these stalls, right, 7 of them are food stalls. For example, Hong Kong soya sauce, chicken, rice and noodle. So this is how we plot our land use survey. On the actual day of your investigation, you'll also be going down to Gardens by the Bay where you have to draw your own land use survey. One would be near the drop-off point, and the second one would be at the Super Tree Food Hall. Yeah, thank you.